Hello my friends, welcome to DemonDriver's Kitchen and a new video series on my channel, Cooking with DemonDriver. And today we are going to cook up this RC Airliner culinary dish, a 7-foot long 737-300. Yes, we take herbs and spices from the RC Airliner world and we get a little touch of 737-200 wing. We take 737-200 fuselage, lengthen it a little bit, give it a little extra long root in the tail, new CFM turbofan engines. You have a 737-300. So my friends, in this video we are going to test this 737-300. We're going to test her EDFs. We're going to test her overall structure. We're going to test her ESCs and her nose gear steering the same way you would test your cake to see if it rises, or your best pasta, or clams, or meat, or beef, or stew, or a souffle. Because in DemonDriver's Kitchen, we always cook up RC Airliners. Let's begin, my friends.
Alright, here's my new 737-300. 7-foot fuselage, 74-inch fuselage, and about a 70 to 72-inch wingspan. It's got the original, the 300 has the 200's wingspan, with an addition of CFM turbofan engines and a slightly longer fuselage and a longer tail root, or tail kink is a little bit longer. But other than that, it's basically the same plane as the 737-200 overall. So let's have a look at the EDFs. We're using two Dr. Mad Thrust 80mm EDFs in her scale, hamster head, hamster face, engine cowls. Look at those. Yes, indeed. So let's go ahead and run her up, and let's see how she runs overall. Let's do a power EDF, full power mock takeoff burst, as if we were on the runway, and I want to see full performance. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. Going to full power. And cutting back. Cutting way back. Strike! Perfect. That's what I call power, baby. This plane has got more power. I would say that these two 80mm are almost as powerful as the twin 90s on the Max 7. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is that nuts? Hey, you guys are in for a little treat. Let's have an onboard trip on my 737-300. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Let's have another full power burst. Here we go. Okay, DemonDriver here. Let's have a look and let's run a voltage test on my new 737-300. We have an 80mm Dr. Mad Thrust EDF right here, aluminum casing, plastic blades, optimized for 6 cells, 6S, 22 volt LiPo batteries. We're going to use the same exact LiPo batteries that we ran on my 737 MAX 7 test. This is a 22 volt 1.55 milliamp nanotech 6-cell LiPo, running 65 to 130 C burst discharge, an incredibly powerful yet lightweight battery. Great batteries. Our ESCs we're using, I have tons of these ESCs. I love them. This is the Turnigy AE 100 amp 2 to 6 cell ESC. It has a built-in BEC, and it has a burst rating up to 120 amps for 10 seconds. A great 100 amp ESC for under $50. Wonderful. These are worth the money. All right, so we got our watt meter. All right, so we have our watt meter. Let's go ahead and let's run up a little bit of power, and let's see what we got here on these babies. All right, everything looks good and within range. Like the 737 MAX 7, I don't see anything out of the ordinary, nothing with the amperage draw or voltage draw or any kind of lag or anything that warrants any kind of worry. Okay, let's continue with the taxi test. Well, guys and gals, that was the EDF taxi test and voltage test and dog barking test of my 737-300 scratch built. Maiden flight coming up probably mid-winter or early spring 2018. You gotta love neighborhood dogs. Well, this is DemonDriver. Thank you for watching the test.
Well, there you have it, my friends. Thank you for joining me today to watch my newly scratch-built RC 737-300 go through her EDF Taxi-Test, testing her new 80mm EDFs, her 100 amp speed controllers, her nose gear steering, her overall structure, and I'm just grateful for your time, and it all went well. This 300 is, I think she's going to do pretty good on her maiden flight. And that's the next step. The maiden flight will be most likely the next video of this plane. When you get to the taxi test today, you're about 75% or 80% completion rate for your build. You need to do this test, you need to conduct this test because it is all important in understanding where you are in the build and to identify problems at this stage, whether with the EDFs or the overall structure, landing gear, wings, weight. It's also good to weigh your plane at this stage. You want an overall target weight, better known as an all-up weight, that when the plane is done it weighs a certain amount. And with this plane I'm hoping a hair under 7 pounds, just a smidgen under 7 pounds. My new technique of using white styrofoam, hot wired, is paying off. A great bit of advice I can give you is invest and discover, or at least have a look at, white styrofoam. Okay? It's really light, it's durable, it's readily available, it's everywhere, and it's great to make an RC airplane out of. It really is. Well, again, my friends, I am truly grateful for you guys being here and for your time. Without you guys watching and everything, there'd be no point to making these videos and everything, because I just like to help you guys and to try and spread the knowledge of RC. And that's kind of that's the spirit of RC. Well, this is DemonDriver. Take care and have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and God bless. Bye-bye.